when we book an appointment, thanks to AI, it will clone my voice, and we put a message with the contact tag, for example, James. Hey, James, I'm really looking forward to our appointment in 1 hour. Please make sure to be in front of your computer so we can share our screen. And this is WhatsApp. So I'm going to start the presentation with this question. How many of you is using AI to generate more sales? Okay. And okay. And how many of you have a sales system in place right now in your company? Okay. So I'm going to show you AI hacks to automate your sales system and generate more clients in autopilot. Okay. So I am from Spain and also from Austria. I speak ein bisschen Deutsch, and I was born in Dominican Republic. So, as you can see, I'm also Dominican. Also, I worked with more than 100 companies in the past 5 years, and I love helping people, companies be more efficient thanks to systems, automations, and AI. So, every business, as you can see, can be automated. So this is an example of my business, how we get leads through organic, through ads, through cold outreach. Then we have a sales system in place in order to convert those leads into sales. Then we get the clients, we do the onboarding, the kickoff, the setup, service fulfillment, then the reporting, and at the end, the offboarding. Okay? And each part, as you can see, it has its own system. So I have systems in place to automate processes, to have it delegated properly, okay? But I only have 10 minutes, and I'm going to show you the first part, client acquisition. So how can I automate my sales system so that it doesn't cost me a lot of money, waste any of my time, and generate more clients for me? Well, I have a tech stack, and the main ones I use is Zapier, where I do all the automations, the workflows, the integrations with, like, it has a lot of integrations. Then Superleads, where I have the AI, the workflows, the booking system, emails, form, payment, contracts, and Notion, where I put all of the documentation, the SOPs, the processes, the mission and vision, the values of my company. But also I have a lot of apps that I use in my company in order to be more efficient and generate more sales, okay? So I started to train the AI to generate leads, speak to the leads, qualify the leads, follow up with the leads, book them directly in the calendar, update the lead in the CRM, and then remind the lead for the appointment. So the no-show rate is as low as possible. So how do we do this? The first part, we use AI to generate leads. The first part is ads, okay, where with Superleads, I am creating the ads in Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Spotify ads, and then in 3 steps, as you can see, you put your website, you put also the preferred language, what's the business, and what's the name of it. And in a few clicks, I have all of the creatives, all of the copies, and the AI will update, it will optimize the campaigns in order to get the best results as possible. So as you can see, in autopilot. Then we have also cold outreach in the company. And here, this is the system that we have in place. We purchase like 20 domains. Each domain has email accounts, so we have a total of 60. And then we are able to send around 60,000 cold emails every single month in order to book between 5 and 10 appointments per day, thanks to the AI follow-up that instantly has. So as you can see, also in autopilot, it's generating leads for my company. Apart from that, organic. This is a new feature that we have, that when someone comments the post, thanks to ChatGPT inside Superleads, it will comment it will respond to the comment, and directly, as you can see, it will talk to the lead through DM, okay? Now, let's speak to the leads. How do we do this? Well, then when the AI talking to the lead through, for example, Instagram DM, okay, it will say things like this. Hey, bro, I'm Marcel AI from Superleads. Interested in seeing how AI can help you out your business? Yes. Awesome. Do you have a business where you need to schedule sales meetings? It'd be cool to know how we can specifically help you out. I have a drug trafficking biz. So I've tried to be also like, okay, until what part of the AI is able to understand the conversation, okay? We'll say, LOL, gotta love that sense of humor. But for real, if you got a legit biz where scheduling those sales meetings is a must, we're keen to get you all set up. Got an email and phone number where we can reach you. And then it will get this info and it will put directly in the CRM, okay? So what do you think until now? Yes? No? Yeah? Okay, cool. Qualifying the leads, also a really, really important part because we want to talk with qualified leads, okay? So what do? We put inside the platform, in Superleads, the qualification. We are training the AI, and for example, I put, if the size of the sales team is lower than 2, then disqualify the lead. Also, if they are spending lower than 2,000 euros per month, then disqualify the lead. If the MRR, the monthly recurring revenue, is lower than 30,000, then disqualify the lead. Okay, so here we have an example. How about your monthly recurring revenue? Where's that sitting at? Around 12K per month. Ah, gotcha. So we usually work with companies that have a monthly recurring revenue of over 30K. It's like our sweet spot for scaling things up. Do you think you'll be hitting that soon? In a few months, maybe. Cool. Optimism is key, right? But for now, we might not be the best fit until you're hitting those higher numbers. Keep up the grind and maybe reach out when things are booming even more. Thanks for the chat. Okay, thanks. No problem at all, bro. Wishing you all the best with your growth. Okay? That's AI. That's not me or someone in the team. That's AI right now. And then follow up with the leads. And as you may know, here is where the money is. Okay? And here, for example, in Superleads, we put, okay, time from the first message. When they don't respond, in 2 minutes, they follow up. The AI follow-ups with the lead. 5 minutes also. So as you can see, anything later, okay, then we put the message from the AI. It doesn't respond to the AI, so it will send another message. It will send another message until we get an answer from the lead. And when the AI books the appointment, okay? And a really cool feature that I really love, it will book directly in the calendar of your sales reps, your closers, your sales team. So here, for example, I wrote, I've heard that your AI is like an agent, right? Yeah, exactly. Our AI is like having an extra sales rep who never sleeps. It can help amplify what your current team is doing by automating the lead qualification and follow-up process. So how does the AI know about this? Well, we have a knowledge base where we put all of the information of your company, and it will answer this type of questions. And as it's part of the script also, it will get the available slots of your sales reps, and it will put directly in the conversation, okay? So, speaking of scheduling, can we set up a time for a call with one of our experts? How about Monday, April the 22nd at 10 a.m. or Tuesday, April 23rd at 10:45 a.m. Let me know what works for you, okay? And as you can see, Wednesday is okay, directly in the calendar for the sales rep to contact the lead, okay? And as you can see, it confirms the meeting. What do you think about this? Yes? No? Yeah? Cool. Okay, something really, really important, and a lot of sales reps doesn't do, is to update the lead in the CRM, okay? So it will do also automatically every answer of the lead through WhatsApp, through email, through Instagram. It will put a note each time it has new information. So for example, the lead has expressed interest in our services. Moving forward to the qualifying questions. Then 7 minutes after, lead us for brochures, but I redirect them to provide more specific information about the property interest in Costa del Sol for better assistance. This is AI updating in the CRM the lead. Okay, so we are aware of everything that is happening in the conversation. And also, we have in the sales pipeline, it will update it. It will put, okay, this lead is not qualified, qualified, interested, book the appointment until it closes the lead, okay? And the most important part, it reminds the lead of the appointment. So for example, when we book an appointment, thanks to AI, it will clone my voice, and we put a message with the contact tag, for example, James. Hey, James, I'm really looking forward to our appointment in 1 hour. Please make sure to be in front of your computer so we can share our screen. And this is WhatsApp, okay? And then the last part, you close the deal, okay? And then when you have that automated, focus on automating the rest of your business, okay? So you are more efficient, you are generating more sales, giving a really good service to your clients, and then at the end, the offboarding also really, really important, okay? So imagine this at scale with hundreds, thousands, or even millions of leads, and this is the power of AI and automations. Thank you very much.
Woo!
I'm not like booking any appointments, so if you have any questions, any messages, you have my Instagram, or if you want to buy me a beer later on in the party, we can chat and we can talk about AI, automations, or whatever. Okay, thank you very much.
Amazing. Big applause. Thank you.